Well, I'm working in my garden today in my vegetable bed, and I'm doing something that can often be very frustrating and very confusing, and that is fertilizing my garden. So I want to introduce you all to a product for you to try that I am so excited about. It is a subscription soil fertilization program from a company called Tertill. And what I love about it is that it just makes everything so easy. It tells us the how, what, when, and why of fertilizing our garden spaces. So let me kind of go through 4 steps of how it works. Well, the first step is just to download the Tertill app. It's free, it's easy. You just subscribe and then you sign in and you order the subscription program. At that point, this is how you're going to communicate with them for them to provide you the information you need. It just couldn't be easier. So start out by looking and just kind of taking a walk through the app and the program itself. Well, step 2 will depend on how you answered some of the questions in step 1, what size your garden is, what type of gardening you're doing, etc., etc. And that will help them know what to send you. So all we do is we take the box. It comes with, and this is in your kit that you get as a startup kit. It comes, first of all, with a bag. And in this bag, you put in about 1 to 2 cups of soil from 4 different places in your garden. I just did it. You've got this handy little measuring cup that tells you about how much you need to put in. And then you just kind of mix it up. Just toss it together so you get a good blend. I've done the 4 different areas in my potager here in the back, and I will mix it up really well. Then I will just take this. I will make sure it doesn't spill out, and then I'm just going to mail it back to them in this box where they will analyze the results. They even give me a postage paid label, so it just makes it so incredibly easy. And then you'll take this kit and you'll move on to number 3. Okay, step 3. You get your phone, you get your handy little guide, your Phone Friday, and you sign in and you check your own personal app that has all of the customizable information that you have provided, what you're growing, what zone you grow in, and any other kinds of issues that might be personalized to your garden spaces. And they have already for you downloaded your test results. So you know exactly what you need to apply of what they mail you. Now, what I love about this is it's all 100% organic. It's a blend of wonderful things like compostable chicken manure, of bone meal, blood meal, worm castings, and maybe some assorted biologicals and microorganisms that your soil will need for all of your plantings to really flourish. All that information is right in your phone, and they send you exactly what you need. Well, and then after you have used the app to get my customizable instructions for my garden bed, I'm going to apply what they tell me. And then the 4th and final step is just to assess how effective it is, to see whether or not my tomatoes, my eggplant, all of the different things that I'm growing in my garden are that much more productive and healthy based on all of this wonderful chemistry and science complements of Tertill.